It's craft time. Today we're going to make satellite soft sculptures. These will be really fun to play with and nice and soft. What you need for this activity is an old sock that you're not using anymore, some pipe cleaners, some cotton rounds, and some tape, and also your scissors. So for this activity is based on an activity from NASA's Space Place, which is a great place to learn more about space and has all kinds of fun activities. This is based on it, but a little different from what they have on there because we're making ours out of soft materials. So first we're going to need a container, and we're going to use the sock as the container, and that is what holds all the things that go out into space. And I'm just going to cut off the end of the sock to become our container. That makes a great container and we can put our stuff inside. We're going to stuff that container with our cotton balls or cotton rounds, and that'll go right inside, make it nice and soft and cushy. Now we need to close that up. So we're going to use some tape to close it up, and I have some nice fun green tape here, nice and spacey, and that'll close up the end of our sock that we cut off. The next thing on the list after a container that you need is a power source. And one of the great kinds of power sources that they have out in space are solar panels. Solar panels collect the light of the sun and help to take the sun's energy and use it. And that's a great thing to do out in space where the sun is shining all the time. So I have this tape that I think looks a lot like solar panel. It's got shiny parts on it that could collect the sun. So I'm gonna just add that right on top of my tape to make a really fun solar panel. I'm gonna find the end of the tape. Awesome, so let's see, here we go. Wow. I'm just gonna put that right on top of the other tape right here and wrap it around like a big solar panel to collect lots of energy. It's gonna take a lot of energy to power our satellite and go around and around. Next thing you're gonna need are some science equipment. You have to think about what kind of satellite do you have? Is it one with a telescope, or is it a communication satellite that sends television signals back from Earth to other parts of the Earth? Or is it maybe just taking some sensory information of what's happening out in space? So for the science equipment, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner, and I'm going to just bend my pipe cleaner into a shape that I think would be a good science equipment. Maybe this is taking some sensory data from out there in space. And I'm gonna attach that also with some tape right onto my sock. Let's use this green tape again. All right, so science instrument, and then after that, we need communication equipment. We need something that sends the signal back and forth from space back to Earth. And for that, I think I'm going to add a satellite dish to my satellite, and the dish will be able to send information and like an antenna back out through space. So I'm going to use this pipe cleaner to attach my satellite dish right to my satellite. I'm going to put the pipe cleaner through the middle of this, and that way it will hold on to it and make it really look like a real satellite dish. And I'm really just making a little round in the middle and then kind of folding it up a little. There we go. I'm going to cut this off because it doesn't need to be quite that long. And I'm going to attach that to another part of my satellite, maybe over here on this side. Yeah, that looks good. All right, the last thing that we need for our satellite is something to help it orient itself, and so that it spins the right way and it goes around the Earth. And that's going to be another thing I'm going to make out of a pipe cleaner. So I'm going to take this pipe cleaner right here, maybe an orange one this time, and I'm going to bend it around my finger and make it into a spiral shape. Great, and then don't forget to tuck in any ends that are a little bit pointy, and we're going to attach that right to, how about on this side over here? Yeah, that looks good. And I'm gonna take that tape again and attach it right on. Now I've made 3 satellites, and I'm gonna have them all orbiting around me and have a great time playing with these. I think you're gonna really enjoy this activity. Try it out, and I hopefully you'll really have fun with it. If you want to see more of our stories like this and our craft time activities, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. That way you'll see more of our videos. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye-bye.